Hello, Mike with Carmichael Cleaning here. Today we are up in Waterloo doing a large 2-day job. So we're doing a full house of carpet, about 12 areas of carpet. We're starting up here in the loft area up on the 3rd level, and we're doing 3 areas up here as well as a set of stairs. We're going to do this with the Devastator wand, and I'll take you through the downstairs. This is actually the 2nd level, and we've got 4 bedrooms, a hall, and a flight of stairs on this level. We are going to be doing some urine treatment throughout this level. I think there's urine treatment in 2 of the rooms and in the hallway, and we're going to do this room wall to wall. There's a walk-in closet there, the light was off, and then down these stairs onto the main level there's 2 larger rooms here in the living room. As you can see with that polypropylene there, the indentations, the pile is completely crushed, and there's no way to really fix that crushed pile where the furniture was sitting. So we're just going to give it a really thorough cleaning, and down here on the main level we're using the Rotovac Bonzer. And I'll take you through to the tiled area. This is day 2, and I think it was about 670 square feet of tile and grout cleaning, and then the grout color restoration. So we're just finishing the cleaning in the laundry room, bathroom, and hallway. We've got the kitchen, dining room already dried up. So I'll take you through and show you Carla doing the color restoration in the dining area. You can see over here the grout was very dark, almost black, and they're going with a nice light color. Just blends in perfectly with the tile, eliminates that checkerboard look of all the dirty grout lines, just makes everything look brand new. I like to say better than brand new, because the grout wasn't permanently sealed when it was new. And then of course we give it a really beautiful buff at the end. So if you're looking for any tile and grout restoration, give us a call at 519-208-8533, or just visit us on our website at carmichaelcleaning.ca. Thanks, and have a great day.